guys, today we'll see how to create Docker file and using the Docker file contains set of instructions and once we build the Docker file, Docker image will be created. After creating the Docker image, we will run the Docker image so that Docker container will be created. So first we will create one folder and I'm creating Docker folder. Okay, cd Docker. Okay, next we have to create Docker file vi Docker file. Okay, Docker file. Okay, that is the Docker file. Enter. After that, we will just take this data. First, we need to create one base image. From means base image. We have to give all the things in capital letters. Ubuntu. Okay, next what we do, we have to write maintainer, 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 Durga, Durga @gmail.com. Okay, so Durga is the owner of this one Docker file. So we are writing maintainer. Okay, next one, run command, run echo hi welcome to Docker. Okay, next next run one give one more run and the echo writing Docker file. Run echo run will execute while creating Docker image. Okay, next cmd echo cmd will execute while creating the container. Okay, these are the comments, guys. I want to save this file and build the image. Escape wq save and exit. Okay, now I want to build this Docker file. Docker build -t image name is will give sample image. My image I will give my image dot means Docker file is present in this same current path, so dot we are giving. Okay, given, or else you can give the Docker file here. Right now my Docker file is present in the same path here only, so I am giving dot. Give enter, and some error is there, guys. Docker build -t image, we have to give C reference repository name must be lowercase. I think this one only. I think we will change this one. Okay, let me run once again. Let me build it again. Now it's taking. Now it's running, guys. See, first step, downloading new image, Ubuntu latest. That is the from base image we got it. Next, maintainer running. Next one is what? Third step is echo hi welcome to Docker I given, and it's printing hi welcome to Docker, and also it is printing writing Docker file, and run will execute while creating Docker image. So that only it is displaying this output here. See CMD it's not printing that output. See, okay. So Docker image is created. My Let me check it. Docker images. So here my image is created. Docker image is created. Latest image ID 50 seconds ago it got created. Let me run this Docker image. Docker run my image. So as per the concept, when running the Docker image, the CMD command will execute, right? Now you run this one. Docker run my image. Enter. See, it's showing, it's giving like CMD will execute while creating the Docker image. Something happened, guys. Okay. So CMD will execute while creating the container. Okay, let me show you. Docker, we have to run Docker ps for check the container. Docker ps. Okay, Docker ps hyphen a. See here, my image exited 39 seconds ago. So it run that container. Once it run, it exited 39 seconds ago. Like this, using Docker file, we can write our instructions in the Docker file, and we can build the Docker image. Then you can run the container like we did just as above. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.